Hey everybody, I'm meteorologist Gavin Sandell. Well, it's the centerpiece of autumn, fall foliage. As true fall weather has arrived, trees across the valley have responded accordingly. We can blame a pigment called chlorophyll for these fall colors, and chlorophyll is the term for the pigment that is inside of a leaf. It makes those leaves green, and once we get cooler weather in the fall, that tree's chlorophyll breaks down, revealing all their different pigments that are different colors, the yellow, the oranges, and the reds as well. Naming them off, xanthophyll is the type of pigment that we see in yellow leaves. That's typically the second one to go. Carotene we see in orange leaves, and anthocyanin is also another one. That's typically the last one to go, and that's one that is described as red leaves as well. But yeah, once all of that's set and done, bright colors, they're more likely when late summer is dry and autumn has sunny days and cool nights. And I'll mention in just a little bit how we fared to get those bright colors. But in terms of fall foliage right now, with a great fall week, we're right near peak. We're not quite at peak, which is climatologically where we should be at this moment, but we're starting to get those good colors in our area. And it's been a mix of good and bad. We've kind of gotten some cool bits on the ends and sandwiched that in between some really poor conditions. Remember, starting September, we had a nice cool start. It was seasonable as well. But once we got towards the second half of the month, it was very warm and it was very dry as well. Two things that you do not want to see for fall foliage. So it kind of stunted that early growth as well. But once we got into mid-October, we actually got that precipitation back from that drought, and it's become a little bit more seasonable as well now. This is a map from an organization called Explore Fall. They produce national fall foliage reports across the country. They release maps every single Monday. So this one is from October 13th, showing in the Youngstown and regions around it, moderate colors around. And they also make forecasts as well, contrary to other organizations, maybe such as the DNR in Ohio and the PA, DCNR as well. This is what its forecast looks like over the next week or so, valid on October 20th. And because we're having so much beneficial fall weather as well, the Explore Fall is saying that we're going to be in pretty high color and potentially in Mercer and Lawrence counties as well, some peak color as well. So that's something to look forward to, and it's coming at a good time too. Climatologically, this is where we should be. This color shading comes at about a time of mid to late October. So once we get the peak foliage as forecasted towards the later stages of the month, that's going to come climatologically at a good time as well. But apart from a brief warm-up over the weekend, our area will be treated with some spectacular fall weather and some great colors to end the month. For Weather 101, I'm Gavin Sandell.